Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn median and altitude of the triangle. First of all we are going to learn median. Students, do you know what is the meaning of median? A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. I repeat. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. In other words, we can say that in any triangle, if a line segment connects vertex and midpoint of the opposite side, then the line segment is called a median of the given triangle. Students, here I have drawn triangle ABC. In this triangle, point D, this point D is midpoint of side BC. Therefore, BD is equal to CD because D is midpoint of side BC. Therefore, BD is equal to CD. Or we can say that if length of BC is 8 centimeter, then BD is equal to 4 centimeter and CD is also 4 centimeter. Now, this vertex A and midpoint D are joined by line segment AD. Therefore, this line segment AD is called a median of the triangle ABC. Therefore, this line segment AD is called a median of triangle ABC. Students, in any triangle, we can draw three medians. In any triangle, we can draw three medians. Here, this is first median. If you draw median from vertex B, then this is the midpoint, and if you join vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side, then this is also median of the triangle DE. Suppose we draw median from vertex C and this is the midpoint. Suppose this is the midpoint of side AB, and if you join, then CF is also median of the triangle ABC. Students, in any triangle, all three medians lie in interior part of the triangle and they are crossing each other at one point. Now we are going to study altitude. An altitude has one point at a vertex of the triangle and the other on the line containing the opposite side. In other words, we can say that a perpendicular line segment from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side of that vertex is called an altitude of the triangle. Students, here I have drawn triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In this triangle, line segment start from vertex A. Line segment AD start from vertex A and it is perpendicular to opposite side of vertex A, that is perpendicular on side BC. Therefore, we can say that this line segment AD is an altitude of the triangle ABC. Now students, in any triangle we can draw three altitudes. Now in this triangle, this is the first altitude. If you draw perpendicular line from vertex B to opposite side, then suppose this is E point, then we can say that DE is an altitude of triangle ABC. If you draw perpendicular line from vertex C, then we can say that this line segment CF is an altitude of this triangle ABC. Students, you observe here these three altitudes are crossing each other at one point. Students, each type of triangle medians lie in the interior part of the triangle, but for each type of triangle, altitudes not lie in the interior part of the triangle. If we draw obtuse angle triangle, suppose this is obtuse angle triangle, here one angle is obtuse angle, therefore this angle is obtuse angle triangle. If you draw altitude of this triangle from this vertex, then we cannot draw altitude, that is perpendicular line, on this side, because here perpendicular is not possible from this vertex. Therefore, we extend this side by dotted line. And now we draw perpendicular from this vertex. Therefore, this is an altitude of this triangle, but it lies outside the triangle, or it lies in exterior part of the triangle. Students, I hope it is understood to you. Thank you.